Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00924 error in Oracle Database 12c. So let me open the SQL Plus editor. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the query. So now I log in as a sysdba. So I log in as a DBA user. Okay, now let me type on SQL query. Create user c ## demo identified tiger. Okay, so I am typing this SQL query. So while executing, I see ORA-00924 missing by keyword, which means that this SQL query requires the keyword called by. Okay, so create user c ## demo identified by tiger is the correct SQL query. So I am typing the by keyword now. So this is the fix for this ORA-00924 missing by keyword error.